Hi everybody, how are you? Hope you're good. I'm also fantastic. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. First and foremost, I just prep my skin by moisturizing it using the African Extract Moisturizer. I really love this product and it feels good on my skin. Then I just prime my face using this Rimmel Insta Glow Spray. I love this and it makes the makeup last longer on my skin. I just took a toothbrush and a damp and a soap that I just sprayed a little bit of water on to help. I use that as a brow gel and this help my brows last and stay for longer, and the rest is not a voiceover, so please watch. So now I just did my brows off camera, and now I just want to do a review for this eyeshadow palettes that I bought from All Women Foshini online. I bought them on the 9th of March and they were delivered yesterday. So this is the one that I'm gonna use, and this one I'll use it in another video. I bought I bought each for 109 rand, and hopefully is a good one. I previously bought another one, this one, and this has been my all-time favorite palette for 200 rand, and this one went for 109, and it is sealed here. This is how it looks like on the inside, and it has 8 shades as you can see, and for 109 I think it's quite a lot because there's a lot of it. Since it's long like this, there's a lot of it in each, and this is the autumn color palette. Let me just do swatches so that you can see the pigment. So I'm going in from here to here on my hand. And these are the swatches, and I really like this color payoff. There is no kickback on the palette or anything, and also I really think it's a nice pigment, easy to work with, and yeah, I like it. So now for the eye look, as usual, I always prep my eyes by applying my concealer, Revlon Candid Concealer, and then this time around I set it with that setting powder because I wanted a flawless look. And the powder is in translucent, but I'll put everything in the description bar. And then I just took that orangey color, and then I used that as a transition color. I apply it lightly close to my brow, all over my lid as a transition color, nothing too crazy, and I do the same on the other eye. Then I take this shade and I just tap it into my crease, because it's not really my crease because my eyelids are too tiny. I put it into my imaginary crease, and then I just apply it, and yeah, that's all. Then I decided to do a cut crease, and I just used the same concealer and decided to cut my crease using a concealer brush, and nothing too crazy, just very simple. Now I'm smoking the corners of the eyes using that red color, and so far so good. After that, I'm just trying to blend out the corners so that they don't look too harsh on both eyes. I think the rest is just self-explanatory, and yeah, I did my face off camera, but you'll see it in the end. And then I just took those 2 shades, put the lightest one on the shell just as beginning of my eyes, and the other one on the center of my eyelids, like a trio on it, like a duo ombre kind of look. And I mean, in the end you can see it that it's lighter in between my eyes, and that as it goes it becomes more reddy because I wanted something to complement the red cut crease color. But I think the rest is self-explanatory. It was as simple as that. Then I did my face off camera, and then that's it. Hi everybody, and this is the final look. I really really love this eyeshadow, and I decided to go do a red lip because my battery ran out before I could finish. And I would really recommend this palette. A lot of things from this Foshini line is amazing, especially their eyeshadow. And this one is 109. For 109, I feel like it's so worth it. The pigment is amazing, it lasts, because I've been wearing this for almost 3 hours, because after doing the video I went somewhere to the mall to buy new goodies for new reviews and all that. And yeah, and I think this is amazing. And if you want to buy it, you can get it online at your Foshini stores, or you go to Foshini. And I think this is it's worth it. It's not really break your budget, and it's not really affordable. It's just in between there, but it's really worth it. And yeah, if you want me to review anything else, or you want to see or hear anything from me, just let me know and I will do it. So enjoy your day, and please don't forget to press the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And that's it for me for now. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.